Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we're gonna learn how to connect Instagram to Meta Business Suite account. It's actually super easy, so let's get started. The first thing that we need to do is open the Business Suite app on our phone. And if you don't have the app, don't worry because it's available to both Android and iOS devices. You just need to go to your App Store or Google Play Store and search for Business Suite. Tap on it to open it, and now it will direct you to this page. And it says log in with Facebook, but you can also click on log in with a different account type. So we're gonna click on that. And as you can see, there is already an Instagram there. You just need to click log in with Instagram. And you will choose your Instagram account. So let's say it's here for my professional account. Okay, and you just need to click allow, get started, and there you go. You already connected your Instagram account to the Meta Business Suite account. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and click that notification bell for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.